Meet Sophie and Jake. Sophie is a supervisor at a busy logistics center. Peak season is here, and she needs 15 workers for a couple of weeks, fast. With orders piling up, she can't afford delays. Jake is an experienced forklift operator balancing work and family. He's between jobs and wants something reliable to keep his income flowing. Luckily, they cross paths through a unique workforce on-demand platform, the Randstad App. The app makes it faster than ever for employers and job seekers to connect. No ghosting, no scrambling, just instant opportunities and ready-to-work employees. Powered by intelligent matching and built on deep industry knowledge, the Randstad app seamlessly aligns employer needs with job seeker goals, ensuring the right fit at the right time. Here's how it works. Employers can access a network of over 1 million entry-level to highly skilled workers. Post shifts directly on the app, no upfront costs, only pay for hours worked. Fill jobs in minutes, not days. 87% of shifts on the platform are filled in under an hour. Manage shifts, timesheets, and even rate workers right in the app. Enjoy peace of mind with 100% fully verified work-authorized workers. Workers can receive real-time notifications for jobs that match their preferences. Choose when and where they work with full job details up front. Clock in, submit hours, and get paid weekly or even daily, all through a seamless experience that puts flexibility and transparency first. Thanks to the app, Sophie quickly built a full team for exactly when she needed them, without wasting time on lengthy hiring processes. Jake gained immediate access to reliable work with a clear schedule and dependable pay. The Randstad app ensures immediate talent availability through strong connected communities, linking you to the right people right when you need them. It's more than a staffing tool. It's your gateway to a dynamic, real-time digital talent marketplace, powered by smart technology and backed by human expertise. Whether you need workers for a single shift, a full week, or a few months, we've got you covered. Randstad, partner for talent.